Hello everyone, today I'm going to share quick easy homemade recipe for Golap Jam. In a bowl, take milk powder and all-purpose flour in 4:1 ratio. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it. In another cup, whisk an egg with a bit of liquid milk, sugar and oil. Then slowly add it with the already mixed milk powder and all-purpose flour. And make a nice dough and leave it for 10 minutes. In a pan, add adequate water, sugar, a few cardamoms and cinnamon and boil them to make the sugar syrup. Now make the Gulab Jamun from the already prepared dough. Now it's time to fry the Gulab Jamun. Add ghee with the oil to fry the Gulab Jamun to give it a nice flavor, and make sure the oil is not too hot and keep the stove on medium flame. Slowly fry it roughly over 10 minutes until they reach their color. Once done, add them in the sugar syrup and leave it for roughly 2 to 3 hours. And they're ready to enjoy.